10 years in, GETI shows how energy careers are changing and how AI is reshaping them. The headline is career development, because only about half of professionals have a plan. Engineering roles are the hardest to hire. Experience is scarce, and the workforce is aging. Interest in relocating keeps falling, which tightens local talent pools. AI is now the lever for progress as adoption surges and professionals upskill and perform at a higher level. Entry-level pathways feel the squeeze, so we must keep the rungs while we automate the work. What works now is clear development plans, industry training, strong learning programs, mentorship, and knowledge transfer. GETI 2026 is the playbook. Build capability today and download your copy.